Hi, this is ZTE Nubia Red Magic 8 Pro, and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So let's first open our box. Let's check. So we got here the Type-C cable, the charger original one with all of the specifications. And let's also open this paper box. Here we got the SIM eject tool, the warranty card and the quick start guide. And also we could find here the protective case in clear color. So that's it. That's all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.